biradufasha cyane yaba mu mibereho yaba mu byo tubona nk'abakinnyi ba match so bumva ko ari impamvu amavubi ari kwitwara neza.
Akabazo kanyuma k'amatsiko kugira ngo ni numwe muri generation yawe nisije amukinnyi batanze ubuhamya bijyanye n'iby'amarozi biratumye adakina umaze kugira experience wakinnye mu Rwanda no hanze yabo biriya bintu byo kujya mu mafumu n'amarozi muri football birakora ese wigeze wowe usabwa kubikoresha cyangwa se warabikoresha?
Ntabwo nabwo ko bikora biterwa na buri muntu niyumvire yesu uje ntabwo mbizi kandi sinzi niba bikora cyangwa bidakora ko ntabwo ndabikoresha njye.
Nta n'uwo usabye kubikoresha?
Nta n'uwo usabye kubikoresha ko natanya gukina. Murakoze cyane.
Excuse-moi.
English. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. So can you tell me how did you guys feel as a team in this first game in the stadium?
We are happy. First game in this big stadium, so we are happy. And then, I think the game was good. We tried to see if we can get win, but unfortunately we get a draw, so we are happy.
So it's the second day of those qualifiers. How do you feel as a team, and how do you feel after the second draw also?
I think it's not bad because we play against a big country like Nigeria, so 1 point is not bad.
And after that, it will be Benin in 1 month, more or less. Are you going to prepare as a team for this game?
We are happy now. I think we want to get 3 points in the next game, so I think we try our best so that we can get the 3 points so that we can be on 5, so it will be better for us.
What
is the motivation you guys are doing?
I think the motivation is, in the morning we hear that our president will come to watch the game, so I think that was our best motivation.
After so many times of trying to qualify for the CAN, do you feel like this time this is it?
Yeah, obvious. This time I think we're going African competition. I think so. Thank you so much.
Thank you.